Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Apple Watch to a Matrix treadmill. First, make sure both your Apple Watch and Matrix treadmill are powered on and fully charged, ideally to at least 50%. Your Apple Watch should be running the latest watch OS for optimal performance. Also, confirm that your Matrix treadmill model supports Bluetooth FTMS, which is essential for this connection. Keep your watch close to the treadmill console, within a few feet, to ensure a strong signal during the pairing process. Now, let's get both devices ready for pairing. On your Apple Watch, open the Settings app, then tap on Bluetooth and ensure it's turned on. Your watch will begin searching for nearby devices. Simultaneously, on your Matrix treadmill, access its main menu or settings. Look for an option related to Bluetooth or device pairing. Select this option to put the treadmill into discoverable mode, allowing your Apple Watch to find it. This step is crucial for the connection. Once your Matrix treadmill appears on your Apple Watch's Bluetooth device list, tap on its name to initiate the connection. You might see a pairing request or a confirmation code appear on both your Apple Watch and the treadmill's display. Carefully verify that the codes match, then accept the prompt on both devices. A successful connection will typically be indicated by a connected status on your watch and a similar icon or message on the treadmill's console, confirming the link. With your Apple Watch and Matrix treadmill now connected, you're ready to enhance your workout experience. Simply start your desired workout program on the Matrix treadmill. Your Apple Watch will automatically begin receiving real-time data, including speed, distance, incline, and pace, directly from the treadmill. This integration provides more accurate and comprehensive workout metrics. After your session, all this valuable data will be seamlessly saved and available for review in your Apple Fitness app, giving you a complete picture of your activity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.